everyone, it's the Cake Lady. I hope you are having a very happy new year. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas, and I'm just really looking forward to everything that 2021 can bring. I did want to share with you something that I got from my brother-in-law and sister-in-law. I'm really excited about it, and I thought it'd be kind of neat to do a little video to kind of, I guess it's like an unveiling or an unboxing of sorts. I got this really nice candle, and it's a wood wick candle. I don't know if you've ever had those before, but they're really nice. They kind of crackle and snap when they burn, and it's kind of a neat sound. But the interesting thing is, it is called a Jackpot candle. I think I'll find the website. You can read all about it. They have all kinds of different candles. They also have bath bombs. But the neat thing about this one, not only does it smell good, it's caramel latte. It smells amazing. Coffee, caramel, and cream. It's 100% soy candle. It's a good hefty candle. It's 12 ounces. And the really cool thing about this is it has inside of it some kind of jewelry. I don't know if it's a ring or a necklace or a bracelet, but it has a piece of jewelry inside, which is awesome. The cool thing about it is, and the reason why it's called a jackpot candle, is it can range anywhere from the value of the jewelry can range from $15 to, I think it's $5,000. And so you burn the candle, and there will be a little foil pouch that you can kind of fish out once you get it down to where you can get to it, and then open it up, and then you can see what jewelry you have. So I don't know if you can tell, I burned it a little bit today. I got it today, and it started out, you can see the level up here, and I burned it for a couple hours, and it went down to that. And of course, about here up was liquid. That's what was melted, and I could already see the foil packet, which I was kind of surprised. I thought it would be further down the candle, and I'd have to wait a while to see it. So I'm really excited that it kind of popped up out of nowhere. Now, as you can see, after the wax cooled, it covered it back up again. So I would say in about a day or two, if I burn it for a few hours every day, I'm going to be able to get that piece of jewelry. And when I do, I will video myself opening it, and I will show you what it is. I don't know if they'll tell you how much it's worth, if it'll have some information about it in the little pouch, but I will show you what that is. I'm really excited. This is something I've never had before, and I think it'll be kind of cool to check it out and share it with you guys. So stay tuned, and I will let you know what I end up getting here in a little bit. Hey everyone, it's the Cake Lady, and I'm very excited. I got my little jewelry pouch out of the candle. You can kind of see right here, it was right down there in the wax. This is the second day I've burnt it, so I'm really surprised that I didn't have to burn it down further. So maybe others are different, I'm not really sure. But what happened was I had to pull, I think it was wrapped in this foil, and then it came out of the foil in this little Ziploc bag. But the good news is they protect it pretty well here. The bad news is it's covered in wax, so it might be a little tricky to open up here. But my fingers will be nice and smooth and waxy, and they'll smell good. Actually, I think, can you go get me some scissors? All right, I'm gonna open up my bag. Now, like I said, these the jewelry is supposed to have a $15 to $5,000 value, and you really don't know what you're getting until you open it up. Oh, so this is like a pretty little ring, and it has on here a code. It says enter your unique code, and it has a website, jackpotcandles.com/pages/appraisal. So I guess it's going to tell me what this is worth. All right, so let me open this up again. Still covered in wax, at least my fingers are. This is a ring. It says it's a size 7, so that's, I think, probably an average size for people to wear, women to wear. Oh, it's very pretty. So there you go. It's got some little red gemstones on the side, and nice, cute. I think it's feels high quality. So there you go. All right, I'm gonna go check out and see what it's worth here in a second. Okay, so here we are. I've got the website in, jackpotcandles.com. So if you go to jackpotcandles.com, they have candles, bath bombs, all sorts of things. And it even pops up like a 10 or 15% off if you give them your email address. So I put my code in. I don't know if it's gonna send me an email or not, so we'll have to see. But they want me to send an email so they can give me discounts and things. I'm gonna hit submit. My jewelry is worth $35. All right, so here you go. It wasn't the lowest, $35 ring, and it's actually really pretty. You know, it sparkles. I don't know if it's a cubic zirconium or what kind of, if it's a crystal. It doesn't give me any other information other than what my jewelry is valued at. So there you go. All right, so you saw it. I have a $35 value ring. It's really pretty. I like the red. My daughter was eyeing it. We need to go too, so maybe we'll have to share. But I think that's a really cool gift. I would give it a thumbs up. I feel like the candle is really high quality, and the jewelry, surprisingly to me, you know, you never know what you're gonna get, but I feel like the jewelry felt, you know, like it has some pretty good quality to it. So I think it's comparable. I don't know if you've ever heard of Premier Jewelry Parties, but they have rings that they sell, and I feel like the quality is about comparable to it. I feel like it came fairly well wrapped in the wax. The jewelry was not waxy at all. It just, the packaging was. It was a little messy to get to, but I guess that's part of the fun. The candle smells really good. I think that probably surprised me more than anything was how good the candle smelled. I got the caramel latte, which I love coffee, so it's just right up my alley. But I went on their website. They have all kinds of different scents. They also have bath bombs, so you know, this might be a great gift for Christmases, of course. And we just had Christmas, Valentine's Day, guys. That might be a good thing to get a girlfriend or a spouse or a daughter even. I think it's kind of a neat thing for them. So I would give this a gift a very high thumbs up. It was really cool. It's kind of neat. You have to wait for, you have your gift and then you have to wait for your other gift. So jackpotcandles.com. I'll put a link in the comment section below so you can go to that. This was not a sponsored video. I just wanted to share with you a gift that I had gotten. Super cool. I really liked it. So thanks to my brother-in-law, my sister-in-law for this gift. Y'all did a great job, and super fun thing to have. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful new year. Hopefully 2021 will bring you guys health and safety this year. And I'm just looking forward to everything that a new year brings. We've had a rough year last year, so hopefully this year will be a little bit smoother. But for My Kitchen New Year's, you guys have a wonderful new year. Bye.